Imagine sitting at home in your pajamas, laptop in front of you, and getting paid without ever walking into an office. That's not a fantasy. Millions of people are already doing it, and some are making six figures a year. Today, we'll take a closer look at freelancing and what you need to get started. Let's break it down because freelancing might not be what you think it is. Freelancing basically means you work for yourself and get paid for your skills. It's like being an online entrepreneur, only instead of products, you're selling what you can do. That might be writing blog posts, designing logos, building websites, or running social media for brands. One of the best things about freelancing is how simple it is to start. You don't need to invest thousands into stock or fancy equipment, just a laptop, internet, and a skill you can offer. You set your own hours, work from anywhere in the world, and choose the clients you want to work with. Sounds amazing, right? Well, hold on because there's a flip side we need to talk about. The reality is that freelancing comes without the safety net of traditional employment. There's no guaranteed paycheck at the end of the month, no health insurance provided by your employer, and no paid vacation days. At first, your income might be unpredictable, and that's completely normal when you're getting started. One month, you might make $3,000, and the next month, you might make $300. This uncertainty is what separates successful freelancers from those who give up after a few months. But here's the thing. That uncertainty also comes with freedom. You decide how much to work, who to work with, and what projects you take on. The more consistent effort you put in, the faster your results compound. Freelancing rewards persistence. The people who stick through the first few slow months are often the ones earning the most a year later. Most freelancers today find their work through online platforms, and this has completely revolutionized the industry. You don't need to rely on knowing the right people to land jobs anymore. Now, clients from around the world can discover your services with just a few clicks. So what exactly do you need to succeed as a freelancer? First, you need a rock-solid profile that makes potential clients want to hire you immediately. This means having a professional photo that shows your face because people want to work with real humans, not faceless entities. Your bio needs to clearly explain what you do and how you can solve their problems. Don't just list your skills. Explain how exactly those skills benefit your clients. Your service descriptions need to be packed with keywords that clients are actually searching for. If you're a graphic designer, don't just say you do graphic design. Specify that you create social media graphics for restaurants or design book covers for romance authors. The more specific you are, the easier it becomes for the right clients to find you. Another overlooked part of a strong profile is social proof. If you've ever helped a friend, classmate, or small local business, even for free, ask them for a short testimonial. A few honest sentences about your work ethic or creativity can make a huge difference when potential clients are deciding whether to hire you. But here's where many beginners make their first mistake. They think having a great profile is enough. What you also need is a portfolio that proves you can deliver on your promises. If you're new and don't have any clients yet, make a few mock projects to show your skills. Design a logo for a fictional company, write a blog post about a topic you're passionate about, or edit a video for an imaginary client. This portfolio doesn't need to be massive, but it needs to showcase your best work. Communication skills are absolutely crucial in freelancing. You're not just delivering a service, you're also building relationships. Clients need to trust that you'll understand their vision, meet their deadlines, and keep them updated throughout the project. Poor communication is the fastest way to destroy your freelancing career before it even begins. Now let's talk about where you can actually find this work. The two biggest platforms are Fiverr and Upwork, and they operate quite differently. Fiverr is gig-based, meaning you create specific service packages that clients can purchase directly. It's like having a digital storefront where you display your services with fixed prices. Upwork, on the other hand, is more like a job board where clients post projects and freelancers submit proposals. There are other platforms worth considering too. Freelancer and People Per Hour operate similarly to Upwork, while TopTal caters are specifically for high-level developers and designers. Don't overlook LinkedIn either, where you can network with potential clients or even reach out directly to businesses that might need your services. When choosing a platform, think about your goals. Fiverr works great for people who want to set up offers and let clients come to them, while Upwork is perfect if you prefer applying to hand-picked jobs that match your skills. You can even combine both, use Fiverr to build passive leads while using Upwork to go after higher-paying projects. What kind of services actually sell well on these platforms? If you're a complete beginner, some of the most accessible services include data entry, transcription, virtual assistant work, basic graphic design using tools like Canva, and content writing, especially with AI assistance. These don't require years of experience, but they do require attention to detail and reliability. For those with more advanced skills are web development, app creation, search engine optimization, copywriting, video editing, and business consulting. The key is to find your niche. Instead of being a general graphic designer, become the go-to person for creating Instagram graphics for fitness brands. This specialization allows you to charge premium rates because you understand that specific market inside and out. Let's address the elephant in the room. How much money can you actually make? The honest answer is that it varies dramatically based on your skills, dedication, and market demand. In your first few months, you might only make a few $100s as you build your reputation and learn the ropes. This isn't failure, it's the natural learning curve that every successful freelancer goes through. As your skills improve and positive reviews start to build up, earning between $500 and $2,000 a month becomes the norm. The most experienced freelancers who specialize in high-demand areas can easily reach $5,000 a month, while the top performers turn freelancing into six-figure yearly incomes. But freelancing isn't just about the money, it's also about lifestyle. You can work from a cafe in Paris, a co-working space in Bali, or your living room at home. Many freelancers build a routine that fits their life, not the other way around. That flexibility is one of the biggest rewards of this career path. Standing out in the crowded freelancing marketplace requires strategy. Your gig titles need to be crystal clear and include keywords that clients are searching for. When you're starting, outprice yourself competitively, not the cheapest, but reasonable enough that clients are willing to take a chance on someone without reviews. And then as you build your reputation, you can gradually increase your rates. Speed matters tremendously in freelancing. Clients often hire the first qualified freelancer who responds to their inquiry, so check your messages frequently and respond quickly. When submitting proposals, take the time to customize each one. Generic copy-paste proposals are obvious and immediately dismissed. Here's an insider tip that most beginners miss. Over-deliver on your first few projects. If a client expects their logo in 3 days, deliver it in 2. If they ask for 3 concepts, give them 4. This strategy of exceeding expectations early in your freelancing career will result in glowing reviews that attract more clients. A typical day as a freelancer is a mix of client work, business development, and administrative tasks. You might spend your morning responding to client messages, your afternoon working on projects, and your evening updating your portfolio or learning new skills. The flexibility is incredible, but it requires serious self-discipline. Without a boss looking over your shoulder, it's easy to procrastinate or get distracted. Many new freelancers make critical mistakes that sabotage their success. Underpricing your services might get you more clients initially, but it leads to burnout and attracts clients who don't value quality work. Taking every job that comes your way without focusing on a niche makes it harder to build expertise and command higher rates. Missing deadlines or poor communication will destroy your reputation faster than anything else. To boost your chances of success, embrace technology. Tools like ChatGPT can help with writing tasks, Canva makes design accessible to non-designers, and others various AI tools can streamline your workflow. Collect testimonials from every satisfied client and continuously update your skills through online courses and certifications. The most successful freelancers focus on building long-term relationships rather than just completing one-off projects. A client who loves your work might hire you monthly for years, providing steady income and reducing the time you spend searching for new clients. So can you really make money freelancing? Absolutely. But success requires patience, persistence, and professionalism. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but rather a legitimate way to build a flexible career or supplement your existing income. Whether you're a student looking for extra cash, a parent wanting to work from home, or someone considering a complete career change, freelancing offers opportunities that simply didn't exist a generation ago. The freelancing revolution is just getting started, and there's room for anyone willing to put in the effort to learn and grow. We'll be covering how to build a great Fiverr profile and get your first gig in one of our next videos. So don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell.